This is the Motor Trend 2022 Truck of the Year, the all-electric battery-powered Rivian R1T. Rivian is an American company whose first production R1T rolled off their Illinois assembly line in 2021. The range of the R1T is between 260 to 400 miles, depending on the battery and other options selected when ordering. The Rivian can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in as quick as 3 seconds, depending on the configuration options. It also delivers on-road handling of a sports car, according to Rivian. There are 8 different drive modes to choose from, so you can tailor your R1T to your custom driving preference. The Rivian R1T has a gear tunnel which can hold up to 250 pounds, and you can also step on the door of the gear tunnel to load gear on the roof. The R1T has 11 cameras and a wide variety of radar and sensors to provide 360 degrees of vision. Every Rivian comes with Rivian Driver Plus feature, which when engaged will automatically steer and adjust the vehicle's speed. The R1T will also brake automatically in emergencies, warn of vehicles in your blind spot, and provide lane keeping. As of 2022, the price of the Rivian is as low as $67,000 in a basic configuration, or slightly over $100,000 if fully configured with a variety of different options. For additional information on the Rivian R1T pickup truck, check out the link in the description of this video to the Rivian.com website where you can configure your own personal Rivian R1T. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to comment below on what you think of this Rivian R1T truck.